Hello guys, welcome to Gladdy Tech YouTube channel. In this video we're talking about Snapchat new monetization policy that will be taking place on 1st of February 2025. For you to be a partaker of this, there are a few criteria that you have to fulfill. The first criteria to qualify for a new monetization policy is you as a creator have at least 50,000 followers. If you don't have at least 50,000 followers on your Snapchat, the possibility of you to be monetized on this February 1st will be difficult. The second one is post to spotlight or save stories at least 25 times per month. So you have to save stories 25 times per month, or always post on your spotlight. Post your videos on your spotlight in order to gain views from there, or you save stories at least 25 times per month in order to be among the people that creators that will be qualified for this monetization. The third qualification policy is that post to spotlight or public story on at least 10 of the last 28 days. Post to spotlight or public story on at least 10 of the last 28 days. So you have to post at least 10 times of the last 28 days. Achieve one of the following in the last 28 days: 10 million snap view, 1 million spotlight view, 12,000 hours of public watch time. Be at least 18 years old or the age of legal majority in their country. Publish content that complies with Snapchat community guidelines and content guidelines for recommendation eligibility. Reside in any eligible country. Comply with Snapchat monetization terms. If you are able to complete these policies, you'll be among the creators of Snapchat that will receive the reward on 1st of February 2025. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.